Hey, here we go. You want to see the boat? The new boat, the Tigers' new fishing boat? Well, here it is. Let's go check it out. Hey, how are you everyone? It's Ash Kendra here from Nightcliff Tigers Fishing Club. Well, it's getting closer in Darwin. You've seen the temperature there, 36 degrees roughly, and about that. She's a hot one, she's very humid today. It's definitely tropics, but definitely change of weather from the last couple of days. So yeah, here we go. We're working on the boat all day yesterday and today. All the lures and all that, got all that ready, so I thought I'd do a run through and see the new boat. This is the new little lady we're going to be riding in. It's a Formosa Tomahawk Classic, 650 I think. It's a plate, 550 plate boat. Basically brand new. It is a very nice boat. I want to go around the other side, get a bit better light around there. There she is, look at that. The Tomahawk 550. The off-grid electrical Tomahawk Tiger boat. Look at that. She's a beauty, just basically brand new. Had a big clean up today, got her all ready. Some mods. It's got new sounders in, new covers for the sounder. We're lucky enough to put some new speakers in it today. JL audios in there, so come up nice. It's got a lovely big Suzuki 175 on it, on the back here. She's been flushed out, ready to go. Twins transducers because we're running both Garmin and Lawrence. We've got 16-inch HTS live just installed, and wow, what a bit of gear that is. That's huge. And we've got a little Garmin 95 SV as well, so we have both setups pretty much covered. She's a good girl, and lucky enough, thanks to off-grid electrical, if you want to get off the grid, get in contact with these guys on their website. Solar power, the way of the future. We're very lucky enough for these amazing sporters to help us out. So here she is, steps to the back. There's the Lawrence sounder there, and there's the Garmin sounder just there. Little transom plate there, they put them in for when you're travelling so don't smash your legs off. Got to go over some rough roads to get to the river where we're going, Daly River. There's a little bit of dirt, not too much dirt, but some rough old bitumen tracks. Well, yeah, let's get up inside. Here's the heart. All cleaned, packed and ready. Seats in. New JL audio speakers, pumping out for the tunes in the morning for the drive down. Look at the size of that. So this is a 9-inch, the 94 SV, and there's 16-inch. She's a fair old difference. I'll give you a hot tip. Let's see if we can get that off for you. Have a look what they look like. 2 secs. So there, look at that. Big 16 and a 9, 24 SV, and the HTS 16 live. So that'll let us down the track, get that new live active or whatever it is with Lawrence. It's good. And we've got the Motor Guide X15, 80 pounds, 24 volt system, big shaft on there. That's all hooked up. Esky for the drinks, water bottle, swags for our camping, big net. all the other stuff we need to go. It's got a heap of storage room under here on this casting platform. All our Bass Mafia gear, our lure lockers in there, all ready to go. All our safety gears all tip top. Another spare esky just for travellers. Some food and stuff we've already packed in there, ready to go. Hats, well, pretty much everything. So nice, great big storage area for that one. To get that in, that's really nice. Cover for the boat. Don't want to get it full of dust and dirt on the way down there. New rod holder we put in today. So it's come up good. Showing off our amazing sponsors yet again. If you're in the territory and you need to, if you want to get off the grid and save some money on your power bills, which can be very expensive, contact these guys. They know what they're doing. Rightio, so there's the new boat, ready to go. Tomorrow we drive out to Daly River, set up camp, put the boat in the water. Yeah, get ready for orientation day on Tuesday. And then Wednesday we are off, so it's all happening. So from tomorrow I probably won't be able to get online to get anything to you, so I thought I just wanted to get this to you, see the boat, see it's all ready and done. All the rods are packed, I've got all them sorted. Spent about 6 hours last night doing lures and getting all them ready, packing them away into all their Bass Mafia and lure lock setups. Getting nice and tidy, ready to go, all marked so we know what's where and we can see whatever we need. And yeah, not long. Definitely a hotter day today, lots of big cloud. You can see that in the background. Floating around, very muggy. Humidity up at least 80% or higher. So yeah, she's going to be a hot week, I'd say. So lucky, thanks to again our sponsors, all our sponsors, Blocker Bearings, Woo Tungsten, Fishing Outdoor World, Off-Grid Electrical obviously, 34 Fishing, to supply us all this safe gear to keep us cool in the hot weather. So yeah, here we go. Daly River, here we come. 2019 Barra Classic. Yeah.